Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 6 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publisher official website. We will start our lesson from Unit 2, Someone Who Understands. SLOs of this lesson are: develop empathy to know and understand what it may feel like to have a disability. Use pre-reading strategies to predict the content of the text from picture by asking questions and contextual clues. Dear students, we read about the story of a farmer, his female dog Dolly, and a boy in our previous lesson. We just started it, and in this lesson we will end this story. There was a farmer who lived in a village. He has a bitch named Dolly, and they have a very special relationship, the farmer and the Dolly. Then Dolly gave birth to some puppies. The farmer was very poor. He wanted to sell these puppies to earn money, but he also wanted to sell those puppies to the people who took care of the pups of Dolly, like he take care of his Dolly. So he painted a signboard outside his house. There was a boy who was standing outside his house and watching him nailing the signboard, and he just asked if he wanted to sell these puppies to him. Then farmer replied him that he can't afford this. He wanted to sell these puppies to a rich boy who took good care of the puppies. The boy became sad and he took out 39 rupees out of his pocket and asked if this money is enough to buy these puppies. The farmer said, no, this money is not enough to buy these puppies. Then he said, can I have a look at these puppies? In this page, the farmer said that yes, you can have a look at these puppies. Then he saw the 4 puppies with the Dolly, the small tiny puppies. And then he saw a little puppy was also a pair, small puppy who couldn't walk properly, and he was trying to catch up with his siblings. Then boy decided, I wanted to buy this one only. Can you sell this? I shall go home and ask my father for money. Then farmer said, no, this puppy couldn't walk and play properly like other dogs. It will do no good to you. So, dear student, we will continue our lesson after that. Now look at this page, page number 18 here, at this paragraph here. After hearing the farmer, the little boy stepped back from the fence and reached down and began rolling up one leg of his trouser. In doing so, he revealed a steel brace running down on both sides of his leg, attaching itself to a specially made shoe. Brace means सहारा देने वाली चीज, स्टील की बनी हुई थी. Both sides of his leg, attaching itself to a specially made shoe. स्टील का बना हुआ एक सहारा था उसके दोनों साइडों के, उसकी टांग के दोनों साइडों के, और एक शू बनाया गया था, एक जूता बनाया गया था ताकि वो प्रॉपरली चल सके. Look up back, the farmer, he said, you see, sir, I don't run too well myself, and he will need someone who understands. This phrase here sum up the whole unit here. In this paragraph, we discussed that little boy rolled up his trouser and showed his legs. One of his leg has a steel brace on both sides of his leg, and it has a steel brace shoe here. He also said to farmer that he himself can't walk properly. So, I want to buy this puppy because I know the feeling of this puppy who also can't walk properly. I understand the feeling of this puppy because I am the same here. Now look at this paragraph here. It was a delicate situation. बहुत नाजुक सूरत हाल थी. With tears in his eyes, the farmer reached down and picked up the little pup. Holding it carefully, he handed it to the boy. The farmer knew that no one could have loved the little puppy like the boy would. Although the farmer wanted to sell the puppies to the rich people. Yet since love and care are priceless, there the boy was the best buyer for the puppy. How much? Asked the little boy. Then in this paragraph we read that farmer got emotional when he saw the braces of the leg of the boy. The situation is very delicate for him to handle. He picked up the puppy and hold it carefully, and he handed it to the boy. He knew that this boy would take care of this puppy very well because he know the feeling of this puppy. He know that this puppy also can't walk properly. They are both the same. He will take good care of this puppy. Yet he realized that love and care are priced. There is no price for love and care. And he thought that this boy is the best buyer for this puppy. Then boy asked, how much for this one? Now look at the paragraph here. No charge, answered the farmer. There is no charge for love. If we put ourselves in another person's shoe, we are often more sensitive to what the person is experiencing, are less likely to tease or bully them. In another person's shoe means अगर हम अपने आप को किसी और की सिचुएशन में रखकर देखें, सेंसिटिव, हसास, टीज तंग करना, bully, when we insult or make fun of other people, it's called bully. If we are more conscious of other people's feeling, conscious, बखबर हो जाए, अगर हमें खबर हो जाए कि दूसरों की feelings, we can create a more accepting and respectful society. So, in this paragraph, we discussed that farmer answered that there is no charge for love. यहाँ पर उसने कहा कि प्यार की कोई कीमत नहीं होती, अगर आप इस पपी से प्यार करते हो तो मैं आपसे पैसे नहीं लूंगा. एंड जनरली वी डिस्कस दैट इफ वी सी फ्रॉम अदर पर्सन पर्सपेक्टिव, किसी और की नजर से हम देखें और अगर हम दूसरों की फीलिंग को महसूस करना शुरू कर दें, एक्सपीरियंस करना शुरू कर दें, तो हम ना किसी को तंग करें और ना किसी की इंसल्ट करें, और इसी तरह हम एक एक्सेप्टिंग और रिस्पेक्टफुल सोसाइटी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स, हमने आज फार्मर, उसके डॉग और बॉय की कहानी पढ़ी, जिसमें फार्मर, उसकी फीमेल डॉग थी डॉली, और उसके 4 बच्चे और एक छोटा पपी जो कि सही तरीके से चल नहीं सकता था. एक लड़के ने उसको खरीदने की कोशिश की, लेकिन फार्मर ने उसे कहा कि मैं उन लोगों को बेचूंगा जो कि अमीर है और उसका सही ख्याल रख सके. तो लड़का बहुत उदास हो गया और उसने कहा, क्या सिर्फ एक नजर देख सकता हूँ पपीज को? तो जब उसने देखा तो उनमें से एक पपी जो कि सही तरीके से चल नहीं सकता था. बॉय ने फिर से उससे रिक्वेस्ट की फार्मर से, क्या मैं इस वाले को खरीद सकता हूँ? तो फार्मर ने उसे कहा कि नहीं, ये पपी जो है सही से चल नहीं सकता, खेल नहीं सकता दूसरे डॉग्स की तरह. तो उसके बाद लड़के ने अपना ट्राउजर उठाकर अपनी टांग दिखाई, जिसके ऊपर स्टील ब्रेसेस लगे हुए थे, एक स्टील का जूता लगा हुआ था सहारा देने के लिए. उसने कहा कि मैं खुद भी सही तरीके से नहीं चल सकता और मैं इस पपी को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से संभाल सकता हूँ क्योंकि मैं इसकी फीलिंग्स को समझता हूँ, ये भी मेरी तरह है. ये देखकर फार्मर की आंखों में आंसू आ गए और उसने वो पपी जो था वो बॉय को दे दिया. तो यहाँ पर उसने कहा कि प्यार और केयर की कोई कीमत नहीं होती और तुमसे ज्यादा अच्छा खरीदार पपी के लिए कोई नहीं हो सकता. तो इस सबक से हमने ये सीखा कि अगर हम दूसरों की फीलिंग्स को समझना शुरू कर दें तो हम एक बहुत एक्सेप्टिंग और रिस्पेक्टफुल सोसाइटी बना सकते हैं. लुक एट द थीम ऑफ दिस लेसन हियर. पीपल विद डिसेबिलिटीज, डिसेबिलिटीज जो कि माजूर हों, ऑफन नीड एन एंटायर केयरिंग कम्युनिटी फॉर सपोर्ट. व्हेन वी सी any disabled person, we show sympathy, but in reality they do not need our sympathy, they need empathy. सिंपैथी और एम्पैथी का फर्क मैंने आपको बताया. तो सिंपैथी वो होता है जब हम लोगों पे तरस खाते हैं, एम्पैथी वो होता है जब उनकी जगह पे रखकर उनके हालात को समझें, उनकी फीलिंग्स को समझें कि वो कैसा महसूस करते हैं. तो ये एम्पैथी कहलाता है. If we encourage the specially able by identifying their interest and supporting them, they will bring लॉयर्स टू अस. लॉयर्स टू अस मतलब तारीफ और कामयाबी हमारे लिए लेकर आए. डियर स्टूडेंट, यू कैन ऑल्सो फाइंड द डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स मीनिंग हियर इन दिस वर्ड बैंक 2. दीज आर द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज. वी हैव डन द 3 before in our previous lesson. Look at the 4th one. What do you feel when you see a child who can't find anyone to play with? आप कैसा महसूस करते हैं कोई ऐसा बच्चा देखें जिसके साथ खेलने वाला कोई ना हो? You have to answer it by yourself. Now look at the 5th one. Have you helped a differently able person? How? क्या आपने कभी किसी माजूर बंदे की, शख्स की आपने मदद की है? अगर की है तो कैसे? Look at the 6th one. Describe your feelings when you see an animal being hurt. अपनी फीलिंग्स बताएं, आप कैसा महसूस करते हैं जब आप देखते हैं कि कोई जानवर जो है तकलीफ में है. Now look at the page number 20 here. B section. Read out the text and express your opinion and personal preferences. Multiple choice questions here. For each sentence they have given here 4 options. You have to choose the right one here. Just recall the text here of unit 2. Go through the difficult words meaning. I have also explained the difficult words meaning for you. So you can do it very easily here. Look at the first one. These puppies come from fine parents and are very expensive to buy. What the expensive mean here? Difficult, costly, cheap or easy? Yes, these are the synonyms. You have to choose the synonyms here. You can recall the concept of synonyms here. Here you have to choose the synonym of the bold word here. Expensive. What will be the synonym of expensive here? Synonyms are the same meaning. The words which have the same meaning here. Yes, here the costly is the right option. Look at the second one. The little boy noticed something else stirring inside the doghouse. Stirring means hilna. So, making movements. So, what will be the synonym of stirring here? Yes, moving here. Look at the third one. As he was driving the last nail into the post, he felt a tug on his overalls. He is not like a car driving here. He is driving the last nail here into the post. And he was nailing the whore with the help of, yes, he was hammering here. हथौड़े से मार रहा था. तो hammering, hammer से निकला है. हथौड़े से वो कील ठोक रहा था. I hope you can do this very easily by the help of dictionary. You have to choose the synonyms of the bold words here. This is your home task from summer pack. You have to read this passage carefully and answer these questions. You can find the answer of this question from the given passage. I hope, dear student, you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.